Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone. Today we're doing something special to celebrate the fact that I just got my advanced license for my drone by Transport Canada. So today we're gonna film one of the landmarks of Montreal. This is the big wheel, the Grande Roue de Montréal. It's about 60 meters and it's one of the many landmarks I want to film this summer. So stay tuned to see more of that and stay tuned after this to see my flight. Okay, I did all my pre-flight checks. I'm ready to fly. Let's go. So I hope you like what you saw, and if you did, you know what to do. I won't tell you anymore, but please do it. It helps building the channel. And stay tuned to see more of that kind of videos in the future and this summer to see the beautiful city of Montreal. Fly safe guys, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.